Hold on to your hats. We're diving into the world of the eastern barn owl. These fascinating critters love hanging out in old barns and open fields. They're like the ultimate ghost of the night, silent and mysterious. First up, they've got a heart-shaped face. Ain't that something? It helps them hear the tiniest sounds from their prey. Fact number 2, those big ol' eyes, perfect for night vision. It's like having built-in night goggles. Third, their feathers are super soft. That's what makes their flight completely silent. Sneaky, huh? Next, these owls are amazing hunters. They can catch over 1,000 mice in a single year. Talk about pest control. Finally, they're found all over the world, from the Americas to Australia. Truly global citizens, y'all. So next time you're out in the countryside, keep an eye out for this nighttime ninja. The eastern barn owl's got some serious skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild wonders.